if you went hiking, you pull in. Ishtar is to the left of the chimney, and your lockbox is right next to the door. And this is your room. It is a queen-size bed. Currently we have a AC in, which soon we won't need anymore. But this is the room. Your linens, typically white. People like white, but it's so hard to keep clean. Have a closet, blanket. This is your decor, forest theme. This is your minimalistic Michael concrete bathroom. And this is it. You have your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, your rain shower, shower head, and open floor, open concept bathroom. So you don't have to feel trapped in, even though the area is pretty minimalistic and with just what you need to spend the night after hiking, take a nice shower, and get some sleep. You have a smart TV with Roku, and this door will be locked. It has a double-sided lock for your privacy. If you want more privacy, I suggest you rent the whole unit.